Hello friends, thanks for joining me. I am super excited to be joining in on Liana of It's a Deals Valentine's Day swap. If you want to follow along, be sure to look for the hashtag VDaySwap23. To participate, we needed to create a little booklet and we needed to create a hanging element which would hang from the spine and add 2 pieces of 18-inch trim, add a memory dex to the little book, 10 die cuts, 1 shaker, and a set of Crafter's Choice, and 1 store-bought goodie. This is the first Valentine's Day swap that I have ever participated in, so I hope I did it right. You know, I'm a junk journaler mostly. I do other things too, but I feel like my sphere of things that I've done is sort of small. And I was so happy that Liana included me in the swap. So thank you so much, Liana. And, I hope what I'm sending out is okay. I'm kind of nervous about it, but at any rate, hopefully all goes well. All right, my friends, I want to share with you what I created. So here is the little booklet, and in Liana's video, she put the link to the how-to of how to make this little booklet, and it is quite easy. Here's the dangle that I created to hang from the spine, and I put a little eyelet right there and hung these from a ball pin. So here's my front cover. As you can see, I've got some nice little elements. I have a rose, and then this is, what do we call that, a rosette. And then I added this with a bow, a couple layers of doilies, a little card up on a pop-up. And then I added my 18 inches of ribbon trim right here and used washi tape, so they should be able to come off of the page quite easily. I did tack these down with a little bit of glue, but this end will come up. I just wanted to make sure they didn't get loose. Then over here I created a little pocket, hung a little heart charm here up from a ball pin. Little pocket, this pops up. This is some velvet ribbon. This is the memory dex card that I made, and I took a memdex that I received in Happy Mail. It was just a blank form, and it was in a neon color. This one was neon yellow, and I think, no, this one was neon green actually. I covered it with napkin, and then I stickled it up. I added these little flowers, and then this is on a pop-up. And if I turn it, you can see the shiny little stickles. So I like the way that that came out. This is the pocket that I created for the shaker that I made, and I made these different than I normally do. Let me shake it for you. I cut out a heart, and then I added some white trim, as you could see. I added it to this doily, and I also have some buttons here. I have a flamingo button, and inside the mix that I used is it's a heart mix with other mixes, and actually that came from the Magical Mixery store, but I also added some flamingos in there, so I just thought that was cute. And then this is the personal pocket of stuff that we could just put whatever in. So I had some fun little Mickey Mouse stickers that I popped, or Minnie Mouse stickers that I popped in there. This is a rabbit from Alice. There's Minnie again, a blank tag. So this is the first one that I made. Sorry, I sound a little awkward today, you guys. Okay, so let me move this. All right, so here's the second one. Here is the, I want to make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so here's the little dangle that I created. Also hung it from a ball pin, popped an eyelet in there. Here's the front. It's got a rosette here. It's layered on top of a doily and some scrapbook paper and some ribbon, little flower here. On this page, I have some velvet ribbon, and then I've got the ribbon that I'm giving for whoever my swap partner is to work with. And here I've got a doily, embellished it with fabric, and then a sparkly heart. Over here I have an upper pocket that I created. There's a little satin flower. And then here is this memory dex card. This one was neon yellow. I covered this one with a napkin as well. And on the the pop-up squares or circles, I put this little card, added a little satin flower. There's some gold leaves here. And then in the corner I put a big felt flower. I hope it's not too big. It might be. But some people have those holders and you can put pretty bulky stuff in there. So if it is too big, whoever receives this, feel free to remove it, maybe add something flatter if that is what is needed. Oh yeah, you guys, I totally forgot about the inner pocket where we're supposed to add some die cuts. Now the inner pockets are very similar for both folders, so I'll just show you the one. So I've got a butterfly, and then this says Girl Power, a little tag, some circle die cuts in a Valentine theme. And then in here there's, let's see, what do we got? We're supposed to add 10. I did add a little bit more. So we've got some floral shaped die cuts, ticket, some hearts, more flowers. This is like mini banners here. This one's a moth, and some wooden hearts, and another tag. I wanted to put all the small ones inside something like this because it would be hard to get them out if it wasn't in something that was holding it. So the die cut packets are not the same, but they're similar, so I don't think I need to show you the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this back in this one. I forgot about that little center pocket that we have. Okay, so yes, center pocket here full of die cuts. Then we flip over here, and I might secure this differently. I had this popped under here. Which is fine, but I think I need to add a little tab down here to help hold it in. So this is the other shaker. This one I did also on a pink heart that I cut out. Similar pocket here, similar stuff. Got the stickers, the tag, the doilies right here. So the booklets are not identical, but they are similar. Now, I wanted to show you the other goodies. Okay, I haven't divided these up yet, but I am going to. I've got some little notebooks. I picked up some twine, these pretty flowers. I got some of these stickers. Got some of these stickers. And then I got some of these. I think these are pretty cute. They're little wooden hearts. I thought they were pretty cute. And then actually I made a little something for Liana, our host. It doesn't look great right now because I don't have things put in there like all cutesy, right? But I will do that before I send it to her. So I have just a little zippy bag full of small ephemera, and then some circle cutouts in this little square, a couple of tags, and then I'll pop in here some of these other little goodies just to give her a little something since she's the host. That's just a nice gesture, even though she said it wasn't required or anything like that, but I think it's still a nice gesture, and it gives her some goodies that she can play with either for this Valentine's or next Valentine's. I wanted to show you my packaging, so I put this little package together for Liana. Then I've got the journals in these packages, so it's just wrapped in tissue paper. I figured that would be cute, but also provide a little bit of cushion. And then I've got these, so these came like this, but I used a doily and made an envelope out of the doily, and then I added some stuff inside of it, and then I added some flowers and this whatever this is called, this rope trim. And so I'm going to go ahead and do it like this and probably put a bow around it. So there's that one. And then I did the same thing with this one. And actually the package that I'm using here, the stickers came in, and I just put my envelope that I made in the package, and then I folded it over, and then I cut the top off that said whatever stickers or whatever on it. So that's how I got both of these little cellophane envelopes, was by reusing them. I'm hoping everything will make it safely to whoever it's supposed to go to. Thanks for watching. See you soon.